Welcome to Build Your Logics. In this video, we will discuss an interview question which is asked in many coding rounds, and it is very basic question, that is to reverse the number, right? So we have given one number that is 1225 and we have to convert into the 5221. Just we are reversing it. We have many ways to do it, but doing with a logic matters a lot, right? So we will be writing a logic this question, that is like we have given the number that is 1225. What we will do is we will reverse it, right? So in Python you can directly write like this also. You can convert this number into the string, right? Okay, and what you have to do is you can reverse it directly like this using slicing. This is one way which I am discussing. We will using the while loop we are gonna do that. So how we can do that, let's see. So we have while loop. So I am taking that number is greater than 0. This loop will run until the number is greater than 0. So before that, I'm going to declare one variable that is reverse. That is 0. Okay. And so what we have to do is to reverse the number, we need this 5 first. We need this 5. Right? So we have to find from back. We have to get 5, then 2, then 2, then 1. This is a way to get the complete number, but we need to get the last digit. Using the modulo, you can get the last digit, correct? So how, let me tell you, we have the number. I'm doing the modulo 10. If I do the modulo 10, I'll get the 5. I'll get the 5 because when you divide 1225 with 10, you will get the remainder as 5. You will get the remainder as 5. So this is a number. So here what I'm doing is reverse is equal to reverse into 10 plus the last, correct? So over here 0 into 10 is 0 plus 5. The reverse is equal to 5, got the last number that is 5. So we don't need anymore the 5 in the number num. So what I'm doing is I am dividing that number by 10. I am doing the integer division over here. When I keep double slash, it is an integer division. When you keep one slash, right, it is a float division. You will get the points. Like by divided by, like if you do the integer division of 10, you will get the number is num is equal to 122. In the another loop, what happens? We have 122. 122 modulo 10 means you get the 2. Last is equal to 2. Already we have 5 into 10 plus reverse. Already reverse is 5. 5 into 10 is 50 plus 2. That is reverse is equal to 52. Okay. Reverse is equal to 52. Already we got last two digits. So I am doing 122 with the 10. I am dividing 122 with 10. I'll get the num is equal to 12. Num is equal to 12. So num is greater than 0. 12 is greater than 0. So again I am doing 12 modulo 10 is 2. Again 2. So we have already 52. 52 into 10 is 520 plus 2. That is 522. That is 522. So already we got 522. So we have to divide the number again. That is num. Again, if we divide with 10, that is we get the num is equal to 1. Correct? 1. So if I do the 1 modulo 10 is, we get the remainder as 1 again. We get the remainder as 1. So I am doing 522 into 10 is 5220 plus 1. Right? And I'm again dividing the 1 with 10 again and we got it 0. Right? So this is how it works. So hope you understood. I am printing it now, the reverse. I'm printing the reverse now. Correct? Here you can see that 5221. That's it. It's very simple. I've discussed the two ways. This question is asked in many interviews, many coding tests. If you want to know such videos, subscribe to our channel, like the video, and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching this video.